Hey, what's up guys? My name's Luke, and today I wanted to give you guys a little review on the Amazon Seller Mastery course.
So judging by that intro, you can see I've definitely came a long way since my first video I ever put out on YouTube talking about Amazon FBA and building a financial freedom for yourself. So I can't believe I'm actually sitting here in the same position. We can say I came a long way in terms of how I talk and my camera presence, but honestly I'm still living in the same place and I'm sitting in the same chair that I made my first video ever in. This is going to be a little sentimental video, but I'm also going to give you guys some awesome value and share with you 3 of my biggest takeaways that I've learned and how to stay patient, persistent, and not strive for perfection, because you can apply this in any walk of life or in any business endeavor you break out into. Because when you start something huge, the worst thing you can do is try and feel overwhelmed and think that you have to be perfect right off the bat. So I'm really glad, before I jump into those points, that all you guys are here with me right now, and I've actually had some people here since day one. Some subscribers are still on my channel since I first started 3 years ago, and I can't even begin to imagine how many lives I've actually touched or changed from my videos, but that's the whole reason I did this in the beginning, guys. You can check my following right now. I don't even have that many subscribers, and literally this video, once I upload it, will be my 400th video upload. And I'm not like these channels that just can grow in 10 videos and have 100,000 subscribers. I'm more about the slow and steady marathon and just basking in every bit of the progress and just loving every minute of it. So when you guys can look at that and just be patient to know that you are gonna win on the other side of things, then you won't feel hasty. And that's the worst thing, because when you get pressured and feel hasty, like you have to do this and be in all these places at once, you start losing the whole sight of why you started the thing in the first place, to make you happy and make you fulfilled. And just judging by how many lives I've changed because of the people seeing the opportunity in Amazon FBA, and the more than 225 students I now have in my course, and the 2 1-hour each coaching calls I just got off with people, like, I know I'm actually changing lives. And even though I only have 4,500 subscribers, I'm just super happy to be doing this. And I'm actually happier that my channel hasn't grown so fast, because now I can actually communicate with you guys more on a one-on-one basis. So actually, for my coaching calls, I now do a 1-hour call. I screen record it, so we're on a Zoom call. I screen share, show people good products to find after they finish my program, and now I'm able to share the video that I screen recorded with them through Google Drive, and now they can rewatch that. And I feel like having that one-on-one connection with a mentor or something like that is just unbeatable, especially when you're getting into a business where you're probably going to have a lot of questions. So I'm just super happy that I'm able to still help you guys on a one-on-one basis, and that the channel hasn't exploded so much. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed, please do so, because in tomorrow's video I'm going to break down 2 brand new products that I just ordered back to back. So I'm now trying to complete my goal. Like I said in one of my previous videos, like for 2020, I want a new product every single month this year. So right now it's in May, so I should have 5 new products, and I have 4 right now, but I just ordered 2 new products that are going to be doing really well, and I'm going to discuss the profit margins and all about those products. That's going to be in tomorrow's video. Even though my second point, besides being really patient about things, is to be really persistent, and that's me putting videos out at least every week. I've put out maybe 1 or 2 or 3 uploads at least every week. Sometimes it was 6 uploads a week for multiple weeks on end, and basically being persistent every single week to put out a video. And these are things that a lot of people will start something and then they give up. And if you're the one that actually sticks with it, then who knows, you will be there when everyone else has fallen off by the wayside. And my #1 mentor, Tanner J. Fox, who I bought my first Amazon course from, he just stopped YouTube for 6 months, and he just made another video the other day, and he's like, hey, why I quit YouTube, why I'm back now. And I feel like when you're going slow and steady and you're patient and persistent, then you're gonna just constantly be slowly building up a good following. It's actually bad if you go real fast up to the top and then you don't know how to manage all those people, and then you can kind of crash and burn kind of quickly instead of that nice, slow and steady reach to the top. I've learned so much along the way, and that's kind of the whole persistence takeaway of all this. Now, I bet you guys are probably asking about, like, how much money have you made from YouTube and stuff like that. And It's pretty funny because Google AdSense, the people who pay me out for YouTube ad revenue, like every advertisement that plays on my video or whatever is making me a couple pennies or something every time it plays. And actually on the 21st of every month, I get my Google AdSense paycheck, and I just made $249 for 30 days of just straight up YouTube ad revenue. So that's about the most passive type of income you could ever want to make. And that's still not even that much money, but I know talking on a business channel like mine is, it pays out more advertising dollars as opposed to, let's say I was doing like a kids channel. Like kids aren't gonna watch my videos and go buy a product after that or something like that. The whole money doesn't really come from the advertising, it comes from the tools that I promote, like Helium 10 and things that I use myself that I have to share with you guys so that you can better your own Amazon business. The other side is basically my course income, which I break down for you guys month by month on my monthly income reports. I have a whole playlist with that on my channel, and you guys can see my transparency right there. That's kind of where the YouTube money comes in, but it's not ultimately about that money because my Amazon FBA business makes me more than all of my course income per month on a usual basis. So really what's cool about YouTube is seeing that personal brand grow, and now me knowing that I'm touching other lives. Like that's way more fulfilling than, you know, $5,000 or $6,000 extra a month from a course, when my Amazon business is doing $9,000 or $10,000 a month from its own passive income there. The last point is talking about being not a perfectionist, because if I was a perfectionist, the first video I made, I never would have uploaded it because I'm literally sitting here. I literally had like spit bouncing up and down on my lips when I was talking, and I was like, holy crap. But I just didn't care. I went ahead and uploaded it anyway, and I kept getting better. And I'm really excited to see some of my new Amazon students actually replicating and walking in my footsteps and getting good motivation from how I started my channel, which was doing a course review on the Tanner J. Fox Amazon Seller Mastery course. That's the video I made in this chair right here. And now I have students making review videos of my course, and every sale that they get of my course through their special affiliate link, they'll make 20% commission, or like $100. That's what led me to keep staying on YouTube, because after I saw a few course sales and literally the day after I posted the review video of Tanner's course, I was like, wow, the power of YouTube is huge. I need to stick with it and document my journey and then point to this guy's course to see if anyone wants to learn more. And I ended up making almost 70 course sales of that person, and it was just a dream come true. It was like, wow, I can market this guy's program and I'm getting a cool following at the same time. So that's what I'm starting to see my students do now. And for any of you guys, don't worry about being perfect out the gates. Like that's not how anything ever works in life. Like I can't go swing a golf club my first time and be amazing. They say it takes 10,000 hours before you're an expert at something in anything that you do. You can be a professional skateboarder. It's going to take maybe 10,000 hours of practice. And I think actually my background as a skateboarder has helped me a lot, because I knew you have to try and try and try again, and finally sooner or later your muscle memory is going to kick in and you'll start winning. So that's the same with Amazon FBA. I took it a really slow and steady rate. I wasn't making a bunch of money right away, as opposed to like some of my new students now who literally within 2 weeks are doing $5,000 in sales at like a 50% profit margin. I mean, that took me literally a year to get to that point where I'm doing $5,000 a week or something. I just know that I like the slow and steady path to learning any concept that I have in life, and I'm going to amplify it by knowing that I'm patient and one day I will get there. So I hope you guys can take away something valuable from this video. I just ultimately wanted to make it as a sentimental timepiece that I can again look back on, and it's better than a journal that you write in, because you're actually talking, you can see how you look, and you can go years and years back and see, hey, this is when I did that one thing that one time, and there it is on YouTube. I'm super stoked to be here right now with you guys, and I hope you get behind the camera and do something crazy, or go start an Amazon FBA business where you never even have to talk to a customer. You don't have to be on camera or any of that, and you can start selling your own products. I mean, right now everyone's away from their 9 to 5, so there's no better time to start Amazon than now, especially now when Amazon sales are skyrocketing more than they are during the holiday seasons. This is the time to get in right now. So stay tuned for more videos, and please go ahead and drop a thumbs up on this one if you guys are hyped to start something big on your own. This year in 2020, I know a lot of us have written down in the goals like, hey, let's make 2020 big. No more excuses. Let's get in it and just kill it. All right? Thanks a lot, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.